Hey there, techies and curious cats. Ever wondered how Wi-Fi hacking works? Before you get in crazy ideas. No, there's not a how to hack your neighbor's Wi-Fi guide. Let's break down the basics. प्रोजेक्ट एग्जीक्यूशन का काम था, कॉलेज जाना पड़ा, तो कल से व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज बूट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि मतलब मैं So what's Wi-Fi hacking? Think of it like trying to guess the secret ingredient in your grandma's curry recipe. Except the stakes are quite higher here. Instead of spices, we are dealing with encryptions and protocols and a whole lot of tech jargon. Let's decode some of it. First up, Wi-Fi encryptions. These are like digital padlocks for your network. They have got WEP, Wobbly Encryption Protocol. Okay, I made that up. But it is as ancient as it sounds, about as secure as leaving your door unlocked with a neon enter sign. WA, Wi-Fi Protected Access. It's better but had some flaws like a sequel that didn't quite fix the plot holes. And the WPA2, the reliable cousin, stronger, safer, and the go-to for most networks now. WPA3, the newest kid on the block. This one is like hiring a bouncer for your Wi-Fi. Hard to fool and way cooler. But hacking these encryptions, it is not as flashy as the movies. There's no Hollywood-style magic here. Just nerds with tools like Aircrack-ng or Reaver running commands for hours, sometimes days. It's like solving a Rubik's Cube, except the cube hates you. So, here's the serious bet. Wi-Fi hacking is illegal without permission. So unless you want to spend your evenings explaining it was just a prank to the law enforcement, don't try it. Instead, use your powers for good, test your network, learn ethical hacking, and level up your skills. And there you have it. Wi-Fi hacking basics and encryption basics as well. If you found this video useful, smash that like button and remember, with great Wi-Fi comes great responsibility.